Okay, so nakapag-decide na ang Committee on Justice na bubuto sila ngayon sa last na ground na treat against the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House. So, pakinggan natin yung sinasabi ni Committee of Justice Chairman o Chairman of the Committee on Justice, si Congresswoman Jinky Loestro. Pakinggan natin yung sinasabi niya that convinced the people, the congressmen to vote it now. Kasi may dalawang nag-request na next meeting pa. Pero ito ay nag-give up na din. So pakinggan natin.
Announcements of their team. The defense team is very clear that they have no intention of attending before the Justice Committee, notwithstanding their readiness to answer the allegations. She intends to answer not here, but before the Senate.
So bakante ang upuan reserved para sa BP.
Ang upuan ng ating Vice Presidente ay nananatiling bakante hanggang sa oras na ito. And as manifested by the Honorable Congresswoman from Laguna, which even confirmed her position of evading our proceeding, the Vice President is currently attending an event in San Pedro, Laguna, notwithstanding the importance of this constitutional process. That only confirms that she has no intention at all of appearing before this committee. No? So, I know that the position of Congressman Lordan Suwan and Congressman Roch Gutierrez are not consistent to the position of our endorsers, but I really wish that we conclude the determination of probable cause today, not because I am the chair, but because I am very much conscious that we have provided so much due process already to our respondents. So, may we hear first from Kong Roch Gutierrez and Kong Lordan Suwan. I think you've heard already the manifestations of the justice members who wanted to vote now. Kong Roch?
Madam Chair, we submit to the wisdom and consensus of the committee.
Kong Lordan?
Madam Chair, I thank the Chair and my colleagues. The record will reflect that this committee considered deliberately and in good faith every avenue
So magbo-vote na
for
sila
the Vice
ngayon.
President's participation. So I respect the decision of this body and I now cast my vote based on the evidence on record and on my oath to the Constitution.
Before I pronounce the readiness of the committee to determine the probable cause, pursuant to Section 7, last paragraph, since we have concluded already our clarificatory hearings, as well as the presentation of evidence in support of the allegations in the impeachment complaints, the Chair declares that this impeachment complaint is considered submitted for the purpose of the determination of probable cause. So ruled.
So maya-maya mag-vote na kung sufficient ba ang probable cause doon sa last ground. Pakinggan natin.
Madam Chair, Parliamentary Inquiry.
The Honorable Pilla.
Madam Chair, magkakaroon ba ng pagkakataon po ang mga miyembro para magbahagi ng kanilang mga kabuuang pagtingin sa tinakbo ng mga hearing on probable cause?
I think the endorsers are intending to provide summation, but other than that, I am not certain. I think everybody is ready to vote now. So perhaps we will just allow the endorsers before we proceed to the necessary motion. To provide the summation.
Madam
of-
Chair, can I have one request? That let's keep it brief. We've heard enough
Yes.
today. Thank you.
Yes, I think it's raining. It's raining. It's raining, so let's make it brief. Okay, we recognize the honor.